Hello, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to add columns inside Notion, which is super useful whether you're creating layouts for habit tracker, to-do list, travel planner, budget tracker, or even your personal website. Let's start with a quick example I've already set up. Here's a weekly habit tracker with one column for each day, Monday through Sunday. This setup makes it super easy to scan your daily routines at a glance. So how do you create layouts like this? The first way is to type forward/column. Once you do that, Notion gives you quick options from 2 columns to 5 columns. Just pick the one that fits your layout. Notion instantly creates the column structure, and you can just start typing right inside them. You can add text, create to-do lists, embed widgets, whatever you like. And you can also drag and drop existing content into the columns. This is perfect if you already have an idea about how many columns you want for your layout. The second method is great if you already have content on your page and you are adjusting the layout spontaneously. Let's say I've already listed out each day of the week as separate blocks. To move Tuesday next to Monday, I can just grab the 6 dots next to the Tuesday block and drag it to the right of the Monday block. As soon as you see the blue vertical bar, drop it, and it turns into a column. Repeat this for each block, and you'll have a beautiful multi-column layout in seconds. Now you can build out each day with your own custom to-dos or habit lists. Columns aren't just for habit trackers. Let's have a look at a few more examples. Here's a monthly budget tracker. On the left, I've listed different income sources. On the right, some expenses. Using columns makes it easy to compare both sides and keep your money situation crystal clear. And here's a personal website layout. I created a 2 columns layout and put a photo of the dancer on the left and an About Me section on the right. Lastly, here's a little bonus. I've built a sticky note system inside Notion, complete with auto-archiving of the past month's records. Old notes get archived automatically, so your workspace stays clean and lightweight. If you'd like to try it, this system is available as a free download. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Focus Dojo for more Notion tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.